Okay? So here, if you observe that the value F3 is not equal to 10. So that's why the result is no, right? So actually, class, just to demonstrate that um, the equal sign here sa formula, na equal, that's what we call an operator, no? Operator na siya, class. So meaning, it will evaluate based on the relationship between this value here and the value here, no? Kung equal, meaning equal sila ang value. So that's what we call logical operators, no? So you can check the internet for a logical operator. So I can give you a link, no? I can give you the link so you can check it here. Logical operators. Jonard, wala sa spreadsheet ang presentation, sir. Saan sa meaning ani Jonard? Wala sa spreadsheet. Jonard? Okay. Kanina. So logical operator class is I'll share this tab para. So these are the logical operators, no? So the logical operators are the following. So equal to. So this is what we use. Not equal, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Okay? So let's compare two values, di ba? Just like what we did earlier. So using these different operators. Okay? So let's use the let's use the equal, not equal. So if not equal, this one, and the result is yes. Because 5 is not equal to 10. So true siya, no? True. Let me equal. Para ano, class? Um, insert column left. So siya operator statement, no? So value, no? Value. The value here. Equal, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than, or equal to, less than, or equal to. So these are the logical operators. So let me demonstrate to the examples here. So for example, we have here the value 5, no? So the other value para ano ninyo, value 5. So let me value 1, value 2. Value 1, value 2 para ano niyo. For example, 10, no? So let me change this from 10 to uh, equal to this relative cell, no? This one here. So no. 10 is not equal to 5. Pero kung if I enter 10, 10 is equal to 10, then yes. Di ba? Gets niyo? Let me copy. Class, i-copy na to, no? Ang tanan na G4, H4. So let's not equal. Not equal daw na. So not equal. Okay? Not equal. For example, 10 and 10. So no, not equal ang 10 and 10. Nga not equal man. G4 and H4. Not equal. kay equal man sila class. That's why no. Pero kung masuli kag 5 and 10, not equal, no? Kaya dili man dyan na equal ang 5 and 10. Pero kung 10 and 10, because it's equal, then no ang answer. Okay? So greater than. So how will you use that? Greater than. Greater than G5 is greater than H5. So let me evaluate. So for example, 5 should be greater than number 10. So no, because 5 is less than 10. So but if we put 20 here, so value 1, so 20 is greater than 10. So that's the purpose there. Okay? Questions? Na by question? So less than. So basic math ni, less than. So less than. So if you put value here, 5 and 10, so the answer is yes, because 5 is less than 10. Okay? So greater than or equal. So greater than or equal. So for example, value 1 is greater than or equal to 5. And yes, no? Yes, greater because it's greater than or equal to 5. But if you put 11, then no. But if you put 10, then yes. Okay? So because it's equal, greater than or equal. So that's, for example, let's put 15. So value 2 is greater than value 1. So it should be greater than. So let me put 5. Yes. Less than. So same lang. Ibaliktaron lang, no? Less than G8 is less than the H8. So what does it mean? So less than 10 and 5. No, because G8 is less than, because it's greater than 10 is greater. For if 2, then the answer is yes. Okay? We get to your class questions.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Dili kay ko kapas, sir. Medyo paspas.
Asa man kadili kapas? Dere o sa bonato. So the formula is this one sa if na function. So natay condition, this one here, mo ni ang condition. So na siya condition class. So i-evaluate niya ang value if equal ba siya or dili, di ba? G3 is equal to H3. So kung true siya, this is the true part, mag-message siya yes. If false siya, mag-message siya no. Okay? Mao na Glorywin, asa man nga part ang dili masabtan. Using the if condition. So if. So kung ma-meet niya ang condition, kung true siya parehas. Kaya, for example, G3, di ba 10? Ang H3, diri 10. So kay equal man siya, so the true value is yes and the false value is no. No? Okay? Napay question? Do you still have question? Same here, not equal. So not equal, meaning this is the operator, not equal. Ang equal operator is kanin siya class equal. Not equal operator is not equal. Ana, greater than operator is greater than. Oh, this less than operator is less than. Greater than or equal, greater than or equal. Okay? Less than or equal to, less than or equal.
Gani, kita ka na eh. Kita na ko na, naman yung ang itis ko niyo ro, gusto na kaya itong para sa na case. Sana ay kwan, ay almas ni euro.
Questions? Questions? No questions? Do you have questions, class? No? No questions? So I assume you understand? Na-understand ninyo? So to... Yes, Julina.
Katugang sa ano gaya na sir sa amount sir.
This one?
Yes po.
So may problem.
Ilan niya, sir? Dala na 40.
You multiply this commission rate sa sales, for example. So, you just multiply the
Ah.
value, di ba? So, paano maka-create ng commission,
Yes.
di ba? Percentage siya, for example, the sales. So, let me apply this to our problem. Okay? So, let me put sales na 500,000, example. Imutan mo 600,000. So, imutan mo 400,000. Diba? Class here, let's just use this basic na hindi siya complicated, no? So, let's start. So, 3%, if the sales is 500,000, the commission rate is 3%. So, how will you do that? So, using the if formula, if commission amount, if sales amount is greater or equal to 500,000, equal to 500,000 na sales, then the commission rate is 3% of the sales. Okay? And the true. If not, then the commission rate is, wala siya commission. So, sa may commission rate, 0. So, tanong mo, 0. Okay? So, let me enter. So, let's enter the drag reference. Why? Circular reference detected. Na siya error class. C3, B3, C3, C9, B9, B3. If B9 is greater than or equal to B3, so C3 times C9. Asan ang C9? Ay, mali. C9, mali ta. C3 times this one here, B9. Oh, mali na. Mali pag-press. Okay? So, 15,000. Diba? 3%. So, kung let's copy. Pag copy ka class, so, 600,000. Ano na zero siya class? Ang pag-copy na to sa formula. Do you know reason why? Why? Why 60 siya? 600,000 na. Ang yung commission is above 500,000 man. Di ba? It's above 500,000. Why the commission is still 0? No? Because we don't use an absolute reference here sa C3, no? Sa rate, no? Sa rate. The rate should be an absolute na reference, di ba? Absolute siya. So, when you copy it again, so, B9 should be greater than B3. Oh. Kani, na-notice ninyo class, why mali? Di ba? Dapat ang 400,000 dili siya magka-commission, no? Because it's below 500,000. Why we computed na 12,000? Because if you look sa atong formula, di ba, baliktad siya, di ba? B9 should be greater than or B3. Mali. Napay isa class. Mali siya because Brains, na question?
Yes, sir. 18,000 lagi ako sa commission amount, sir.
Mali na mo ha.
Yes,
Wala
sir.
naman, multiply
Ay, wala.
siguro B9. This is
Wala
B9
na ako nabot
times
ng
3%.
Oh, wala na ako butangan no. Wait lang,
So
sir.
sa
Patanawan ako balik, sir.
Dre, B9 is greater than B3.
Nada i-shake $1 sign. Wala ito po.
Class, you know the reason here because ang B10 is and B4 is different na siya class, iba dapat absolute ni siya. So when you go to your formula, ang B3, B9, this one here, tama na siya, no? But the mali is the absolute. That's why this is very important. Kung na may absolute reference, so you use an absolute reference here, this one here sa top, no? So put B3 as an absolute reference kay 500,000 man daw. So when you copy again, o di ba? Tama na siya. Okay? Question? May questions? Napay mga mas complicated ani? So sir, pwede day sir na ang dili jud mo mangutan no? Pwede day sir na diri lagi sa imong if function sir. Yes no ran lagi imong gibutang sir. Oh, yes no. Pwede day sa if function sir na pag ang yes ang answer mo create kag formula o yes pwede na siya class. So this is a compound na formula no. So here we set a condition, but here we created a new formula to multiply these numbers because this value here is true. That's why we computed this commission rate if it's greater or equal to 500,000. Nagets niyo, class? So here, we change the not change, but we computed the interest or the commission rate from sales. Okay, so we multiply. That's why we create an we build or we add an absolute na reference here for 3%, and this one we create an absolute reference for the sales na 500,000, which should be greater than the B9. Okay? Gets niyo? Sir, pwede po siya, sir, na how about kung 1 million, sir? 1 million ang duha sila, sir. I-evaluate po niya kung 1 million ang amount. Compute po niya og 5%. Okay? That will be your assignment. No? So, assignment ninyo na class. So, I'll add it later sa ano na, sa Monday na. But you study how to create a formula. What if kung 1 million, kung saan siya pag-compute? Like for example, magbutang ko 1 million here, 1 million, di ba? 1.5 na lang, 1.5 million. So, di ba? So, yung gigamit is 3%. Kung 1.5 million, 1 million to pataas, dapat na iyang commission is 5%. So, dapat delete 3%. So, how will you do that? Okay? Mauna siya ang next ninyo na case. Okay? So, question? May questions? Hilo man mo tanan class. Kung wala, I assume nakabalo mo. Oh.
Excuse me, sir. Kansang sa ano, gid sa formula, gid sa commission amount, sir. Kaya nalagi tayo zero sa last part, sir.
Because that's the, that's the false part. Na siya false na part, manggod. Di ba kung mag-if ka, same here, kung tinuod ni siya class, for this function, kung tinuod ang result, kung true ang result, then you compute the commission rate. Pero kung dili siya greater or equal to 500,000, which is the B3, then wala kay commission. That's the explanation, no? That's why you put 0 there. Because this is the false part and this is the true part. This is the true and this is the false. So that's why we put 0, okay? Nakuha ninyo? So false siya meaning dili correct. Okay, because this is logical, meaning logic siya class, meaning it will answer if it is true or false. Okay? Questions? Wala na questions?
Sa 18 daw, sir. Sa 18K daw, sir.
Pareha lang man na siya formula. Same lang siya formula dire. So bisig kung saan mo na class, for example,
Zero ko lagi.
ibutan mo 200,000 o 200. This is the beauty of formula. O zero siya kay less than naman siya 500,000, di ba? O 501,000. O okay, o na siya commission, di ba? Basta 500,000, that's the formula because we use an absolute reference. That's why mag-vary in yung amount because you don't use an absolute reference for your sales and for your rate. Okay? So wala man gamit. So kung mag-enter formula, dili siya kung pag-copy nimo mo gamit siya 5% or I don't know. Mo gamit siya 1 million, di ba? Just like what I did earlier, no, gituin ako tug mali para na may question o lang man pod. So wala na minaw or wala kasabot, duha lang na. That's why you ask questions, okay? Class, na may questions? Ang sa man nalibog nga part sa if statement, dire. Oh, dire siya. Yes, no na siya class. Meaning, I am just demonstrating here na kung ang value dire dili yes, kung dili siya equal, kung dili siya 10 equal to 10, ang iyang result, no. Meaning, dili false siya. Because there are two parts sa imong if statement sa iyang result pag-evaluate. True and false, no? Na siya true and false dire. This is true and false, no? Questions? Walay questions? Ano, nag-break na mo tanan? No questions?
Nagatry pa mi, sir.
Sige, I'll give you 5 minutes. Please
Sir,
try. Oh.
gipangita pa na mo ang kuat, sir. Oy, ang kanang peso sign, wala pa ni amo, sir. Oy.
Yun ang problema. Format, go to format. Ituluan tama ni last time pero I don't know kung naminaw mo. Custom currency. You go to custom currency, pangitan niyo yung peso. Pangitan niyo yung peso dire sa listahan and you apply. O, ma-save na siya dito sa Pikas. Na custom currency, na anang peso, Philippine peso. Brains, na question?
Sa value 1 o value 2, good sir. Giyon sa man mo gipagkuha da sir.
Dire?
Oh sir, ako kasunod da sir. Kuman ako dito sa commission naman sir. Dahil lang ito kulang.
Ang value 1, value 2, ikaw man magbutag value. Ano eh?
Sige. Bisag unsa na
I-compare na to. I-compare. For example, not equal. Ang 5 ug 10, di ba, dili equal? So, yes, dili siya equal. Mo na ang if statement. Siya na mo determine kung kaning duha ba ka value is correct o di ba? Maning purpose. So, musulti ko, ang value 1 and value 2 equal. So, 10 og 10, yes, equal. Pero kung butangan ako na siya og 2, no, not equal. No. Because of our formula nga equal nga operator. Dire siya nga operator ana. Kani. Equal man, dapat ang duha ba ka value dire equal. So kung dili sila equal, so imong answer dire no. So this is the false part. Kani no. Kung equal siya, mosulti siya yes. Okay? You can type anything there. For example, true or false. So it's up to you. True. Or that's why sa ato ang example, we use a formula because when it's correct, then it will perform the formula. Okay? Ano siya? False. No? Kung 10 og 10, then true. Di ba? Kaya kani, greater than ba ang 20 og 10? Yes, greater than. Di ba? So that's why here, sa atong formula class, kung ang 500,000 na sales amount is greater or equal ba 501,000 sa 500,000, that's B3. Equal ba siya? Yes. So that's why you compute a commission. So that's why you need to multiply this value to 3%. So mo na siya. C $3, that's 3% times B9. Diba? Kung if the value is below 500,000, then we don't compute commission. That's why we put 0. Okay? So that's the purpose of the if statement. Question. So pagbutan diri, kung if you answer 499. If you put 499 na sales amount, then it's 0. So, motong 0. Kung i-put nimo 500,000, which is equal siya sa sales na 500,000, then it's correct. Okay? The link I shared, class, di ba nag-share ko og link sa inyo ha, kaning spreadsheet.com. So please try to, lahi man siya na product, no? But the concept is almost the same, no? The same lang siya concept. So concept niya the same, but this is a different software. So you can find the same, same na, same na sa Google Sheet. So actually parehas lang na siya class og manggod. Parehas lang na siya og concept niya. Different lang ni siya na software, but the concept is almost the same. Kaning logical explanation niya, no? So I'll give you 5 minutes. Please try to
I-turn in pa ni sir.
Yes, you turn in.